Here you can see a document. I'm just going to scroll down and you can see there are various sections with a heading and it stops here at conclusion. We can make the various sections of the document stand out by adding horizontal lines. I've clicked the document to place the cursor here at the end of the heading introduction. I'm then going to press enter on the keyboard. The cursor has now moved to this position. It's now a case of entering the hash symbol 3 times, often called the pound symbol, which isn't the case in the UK. And then you press enter on the keyboard and you can see that a horizontal line is inserted. The cursor is flashing here, so I'll just press delete on the keyboard to get rid of the space that's been introduced when I previously pressed enter. I've moved the cursor to here, and now it's a case of pressing the underscore key 3 times and then pressing enter, and you can see you get a horizontal line again. That's a different style. I'll then press delete to remove the space. I've scrolled down the document and I've placed the cursor here, and now I am going to type in 3 hyphens and press enter, and you can see we get another horizontal line. This is a different style again. It's a thinner horizontal line than the one we inserted above. I'll press delete again to remove the space. Pressing the equal sign 3 times and then pressing enter will give us a horizontal double line. If we want a horizontal dotted line, then you enter 3 asterisks and press enter, and you can see you get a dotted line. If you enter the tilde 3 times, then press enter, you can see you get a wavy line. If you now look at a print preview of the document, you can see all of the 6 different types of lines that you can insert using the appropriate shortcuts. Of course, I am not suggesting that your document would benefit from the use of 6 different types of horizontal lines. I would most probably just use 2 styles. But this video was designed to show you the 6 different lines that you can insert using the shortcut keys. This page can be used as a summary to show you the shortcuts and the lines that are produced. I will list the shortcuts in the description of the video on YouTube.